Top 7 perfect exercises to burn belly fat and side fat. Exercise 1. Standing crossbody crunch. This is a great no-equipment exercise that mainly targets the obliques and upper abs. It strengthens your core, improves balance, and helps with waist shaping. Stand tall with your hands behind your head. Lift your right knee while twisting your torso to touch it with your left elbow. Return and switch sides. Exercise 2. High knee claps. This is one of the best exercises that mainly targets the lower abs. It helps strengthen your abs, burn calories, and improve balance. Stand tall, lift one knee high, and clap your hands under the raised leg. Quickly switch legs, keeping your core tight, chest up, and moving at a fast, steady rhythm. Exercise 3. Standing side crunch. This is an effective exercise that mainly targets the oblique muscles on the sides of your core. It helps tone your waist and improve balance. Stand tall and place your hands behind your head. Lift your right knee toward your right elbow while crunching your torso sideways. Return and repeat on the other side. Keep your core engaged and your spine upright. Exercise 4. Cross-body sit-down crunch. This is a perfect combo exercise that targets your obliques, lower abs, and hip flexors, while also engaging your quads and glutes. Start standing, bring one elbow to the opposite knee in a cross-body crunch, then lower into a seated or squat position, crunching again or switching sides. Keep your core tight, chest up, and move with control. Exercise 5. Standing side bend. This bodyweight exercise targets your oblique muscles. It's perfect for burning side fat when paired with cardio. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Place one hand on your hip and the other behind your head. Slowly bend to the side, squeezing your obliques. Return to the center and repeat on both sides with control, focusing on the muscle contraction. Exercise 6. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a perfect full-body cardio exercise that also engages your core muscles, especially the abs and obliques. They help improve endurance, burn calories, and support fat loss. Stand upright. Jump your feet out to the sides while raising your arms overhead. Jump back to the starting position and repeat. Keep your core tight throughout the movement. Exercise 7. Butt kick toe touch. This is a powerful exercise that mainly targets the obliques, lower abs, and deep core muscles by challenging your balance and coordination. This move also works your glutes and hamstrings while keeping your abs engaged to stabilize your body. Stand tall. Bend one knee to lift your foot towards your glutes and reach back with the same side hand to touch your heel or toe. Keep your core tight and alternate sides with control.